guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying ASMR honeycomb. What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be reading a squishy to school. What was I thinking of that asthma? I did it yesterday. So I'm tired of school, but you know guys, I have to go, so I'll meet you when I'm at school. Let's get started. Oh, and guys, can you please comment down below which hairband do you want me to put on today? I'm going to do OUT spells out. See which one I'm not doing. OUT spells out. This pink one's out. OUT spells out. Oh, this blue one's out. OUT spells out. The purple one's out. But the second and third one can stay in. OUT spells out. OUT spells out. Well, now, guys, can you please comment down below? Out of these three, they're my literally favourite colour. So comment down below. Let's see which one it is. I found out, guys. Drumroll, please. Blue one for me. Yay! I mean, when I'm at school, guys, I brought a mini squishy to school. So you wait and see what it is. Were you staring at me? Because you made me did single detention yesterday for bringing a squishy to school. What? Double detention because I brought a squishy to school on Tuesday. Triple detention because I hid it. That's not fair. They were all your squishies. So I came to say sorry. I thought you was going to say sorry, but this is my squishy now. On one side. Oh. Really? You brought a squishy to school? So lame. Yes, Lucy. Why is everybody wearing a headband today? Anyway, I got a test. Yes, Lucy. Come on, let me just tell my thing first. Fine. Okay. So there is no test. No. Lucy, what do you have in your hand? I have. What? How do I have this in my hand? Not telling me that you have a squishy. Double detention, triple detention, and third detention, and fourth detention, and fifth detention, and then and sixth detention, and seventh detention, and eighth detention, and ninth detention, and 10th detention. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, a maths as well, because you didn't do your math homework yesterday. Lexi, you can go home. Don't go, Lexi. But no, you're staying with me, Lucy, and I need your mum. Let's go upstairs, Lucy. Bye, Lexi. Oh, bye. Bye. Give me that squishy, Lucy. Fine. Thank you. Lexi. Lexi. Oh, yes, Miss Cox. I would like you to take this squishy home. Oh, really? Okay, bye, Miss Cox. Guys, I can't believe I didn't even get to my squishy. Bye, Miss Cox. I actually can't believe it. Mission accomplished. Oh, I love my life, guys. I've got to go to bed now. Let me strip up in 3, 2, 1. I'm in my clothes. Let's go to bed. Good night, guys. Just got dressed. Very cool. Right. That's something. Wear green headband. This is school. Wow, you're very early. That means Lucy's gonna get another detention. Yeah, can I just have some privacy? Oh yeah, sure. Guys, look. Why do I have a squishy in my basket? Squishy, I say. Lexi. Lexi, are you alright? Yeah, you don't need to run your whole life for me, but Lucy probably put a squishy in my bag. Let's see what else you have in there. $50p, and you've got Benjamin Bunny, shiny, and you've got Mr. Jeremy Fisher. Put the lid back on there. Let's see if you have even more squishy. Okay. Paper. And a birthday badge and 2 Roblox figures. What? Oh yeah, I always love my characters. Okay. Oh, I missed Cox. Miss Cox, why are you staring at me? Oh, and I love that funky bag. Yeah, but I'm staring at you because you got single detention, double detention, triple detention, then another detention, then another detention, then another detention, then another detention. Yesterday, then, yeah, guys, 10 detention still. And then you love Squishy that much, which you look what you're putting Lexi's bag. Really? It's squishy. Miss Cox, I didn't do that. Yes, you did. My mom's gonna be really mad at you now. And you know, it's my birthday today. Yeah. Well, happy birthday, Lexi. Yeah, no one's gonna be your friendly, see? And how do you even know that? Ugh. Guys, thanks for watching my videos. Bye, guys. What? I have your headband on me? What?